Hey everyone, made it. You've officially conquered the epic saga of customer history for WooCommerce. Give yourselves a round of applause. You deserve it. Over the last 4 videos, we've gone from zero to hero with this powerful tool. We've explored the depths of the customer profile, uncovering hidden secrets like their favorite color. Okay, maybe not that, but definitely their order history. We've navigated the activity timeline like expert time travelers and even dabbled in the dark arts of reporting. No crystal ball required. Remember those days of endless scrolling through spreadsheets trying to piece together a customer's journey? Yeah, me neither. With customer history for WooCommerce, that's a relic of the past. Now you can access all that vital information in a snap, faster than you can say personalized marketing strategy. Imagine this. A customer calls with a question about a previous order. Instead of frantically searching, you calmly pull up their profile, armed with all the details. Boom! Instant customer service superstar. So, what are you waiting for? Go forth and conquer the world of customer data. Use these newfound powers wisely. And remember, with great data comes great responsibility, and maybe a slight obsession with customer activity timelines. I won't judge. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more WooCommerce wisdom. Until next time, happy selling.